The dam is breaking!
I'm going to the edge. We have to warn the others. The dam is breaking. Run! Run for your lives! Hurry, pull the pipes!
Watch out for the water. It's coming fast.
Get the tractor clear! Over here! Hurry! Everyone get to higher ground!
Move it closer to the edge, quickly!
We need more gravel right here. Stop the water flow.
Drop the rocks right in the center! We need another load of earth over here! Hurry!
That's the last one.
Looks solid.
Move faster, get those bags up!
We need more supports on the left side. Hurry! Pull back! Pull back now! The water is coming through the west side.
Look at this fissure right here. Yeah, that's unstable. Yeah, that's unstable. How long is the gap?
Get that rig moving! We're losing the center! Hard right! Dump it now!
Pull her out! Pull her out now! The water's rising too fast! Move it!
Lower it very slowly. Okay, hold it there.
We did it! The dam is saved!
We did a great job clearing this space.
It looks perfect now.